yes, I'll say variable new str equals to, then I can say 1 comma 4. Okay. If I display it, so hello, HELLO. So I have given slice of 1, sorry, 1 and 2, right? So 1 and 2. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, right? So it is starting from here and just before the end, whatever value is there, just before that. Okay, understood? Clear? If I say slice 1 3, what it will do? EL means 3 before 3. So this 2 it will take. So if I give 1 3, you get EL. Okay, is that clear, Faiz? Hello, am I audible? Hello guys, am I audible? Yeah, it is clear only. So next thing is uh, conditional statement. Okay, Priti, conditional statement. Okay, fine. So conditional statement means what? It means you are, let's say you have written variable x equals to 5, and you are writing console.log 5, right? So if I write it, if I just run it, I will get 5, right? Okay, screen zoom. Okay, little bit. I will zoom. Is that fine? I guess. So now I am writing another variable which will control the display. Let's say this is 0, right? So I am writing if y equals to 0, okay, then this is console.log, okay, sorry, console.log x, or I will say if y equals to 0, I will say x equals to 5, else x equals to 6. So now if I print, then what will happen? If I say x, what I will get? Preeti, tell me. Yeah, Sweta, I'll come to that. I'll come to that. So it will come 5, right? It will come 5. But if I make it 6, if I make it 1, then what will happen? Tell me the answer. If I change y to 1 now. So it will come as a, it will come 6, right? So why it is coming 6? If I don't give else part here, or if I don't give anything actually, let's say I don't give anything, I'm just directly printing x, then I will get always 5. But now my display of x depends on this condition. In between the condition has come is if else. If y is 0, then only it is 5, else it is 6. Okay, so conditional statement means based on certain condition I am displaying the value. So this one is conditional statement. This 6 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. It can be more complex using if else if. You can give else if, then you can say if y equals to 3, you can say, then you can say console.log, okay, or sorry, x equals to 10 or something, whatever. So this is an extra condition you are adding. So you can add as many else if as possible. Okay. Minimum if, it can have minimum if. Okay. It can have if else, or it can have if else if else. Okay. There are 3 possible situations in conditions. Okay. One is if else, and another one is if else if, and as many number of else if, and then else. Okay. Okay, there are 3 possible scenario. 1, 2, and 3. Is that clear? No? You have to practice more actually, Krishna. So I'll come. Preeti, is that clear? Okay. Now more conditional statement destructuring. Okay, so destructuring is little bit too early, but I will just giving you a I won't spend too much time. Okay, splice I will come. Yeah, if also I'll come. So splice, sorry, destructuring is, let's say you have a array. mm, let's say there are two types of destructuring. Okay, one is array destructuring and another one is object destructuring. Okay, so array destructuring means, let's say you have a array which has, let's say 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now uh, what you are doing, you are writing like this: a comma b comma c. Okay, variable or constant, whatever you can do, constant a comma b comma c equals to array. Okay, so now if I print a, क्या आएगा? Or let's say a b c d e. Okay, so if I print a, what I will give? B c d e. Okay, so if I run this, sorry, my bad. Okay, if I run this, I get, so basically each value of the original array has been assigned automatically to the respective elements of the new array. Now मैंने लिख दिया यहाँ पे डी, सॉरी, मैंने सी की जगह लिख दिया डॉट डॉट डैश सी. व्हाट इज डैश 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 सी? It's a spread operator. Okay, so spread operator are used in destructuring. So now if I write abc, you see 1 2 will be assigned to a and b and 3 4 5 will be assigned to c. अगर मैंने डैश 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 नहीं दिया तो क्या होगा? 1 2 3. ठीक है, got my point? See, I am not going to go too deep today on this. This is called array destructuring. Similarly, you can have object destructuring. Okay, so in like object destructuring also you can have like, okay, let's say name equals to x. Okay, address equals to, I think, y, and then you can give constant name comma address, sorry, address equals to array, right? So if I give console dot log, मैं directly name print कर सकता हूँ. So it give me x, and if I give array, it will give me y. ठीक है, sorry, add, sorry, r. Okay, ठीक है. So ये name automatically ये name में आ जाएगा, ये address में आ जाएगा. So this is object destructuring, and previous one array destructuring. Okay, this much for today. Okay, I'll explain the details to later. Is that okay? Yeah, index to index. That's all. It is, we are going to use it hugely in React.js. We're going to use this concept in React.js. Okay, is that clear? Okay, that's fine. Now splice. Okay, so splice though I have already explained, right? So splice is used for what purpose? Deleting and also for adding. Okay, splice we have to use for delete, also for add, right? So yeah, Sweta, I'm coming. Just wait for some time, I'll answer the question. So so variable array equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So if I write that array dot splice, and then I'm writing 1 then 0. So what this will do, or 1 then 1. I'm writing 1 then 1. So now if I and I am taking it in a new array. So what this new array is going to print, right? So if I so sorry, so this is going to delete 2. How come it is going to delete 2? Can you tell? Who was asking that? Splice. Preeti. Preeti, can you tell me why it is 2? Or if I just write directly inside this one. Sorry. Array dot splice. So this is actually removing 2 here. Okay. The element which is removed is 2 here. Why? Because 0, what is 0? So if I write splice, let's say variable array equals to 1 2 3 4 5. So I am saying array dot splice 1 comma 1. It basically means go to this first one is to index where we need to search for the element, and then how many element I need to delete. Okay. So go to the particular index number. So 0 1 2 3 4. So 1 1 means go to this element and delete only one element. Okay. If I write array dot splice 1 2, then what will happen? It will remove 2 3, both of them. Okay. Is that clear, Preeti? Did you understand? Okay. Now if I write, so it 1 2 and so there is another for inserting. Okay. So insert also can happen. So it is like you have to give like three elements basically. Okay. So for insert you have to give it like array dot splice. Okay. Then you can say 1 1 and 3. Okay. So you have, let's say, variable array equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So what this is going to do, 0 1 फर्स्ट पोजीशन में जाइए, इसको डिलीट करिए एंड यहाँ पे 3 insert 3. So it becomes 1 3 3 4 5. So this is for inserting. When you are using 3 arguments, then the third one is for insert. Okay. This is to insert this value. And first one is the go to that particular index, and this one is how many you want to delete, how many to delete. ठीक है, अगर आपको कुछ डिलीट नहीं करना है, you just give 0 here. Yes. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yeah, 113 is basically what I am doing is, so let's say I have variable array equals to 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm writing array dot splice. Okay. And then I am giving 1 0, let's say 6. So what is this going to do? If I giving 0, what is the first one? First one is go to this index. Okay, go to this index. So where is 1 0 1 2 3 4? So 1 means this one, Okay, is that clear, Faiz?